If you drive a 2017 or newer GMC or Chevy pickup truck powered by the 6.6-liter Duramax, also known as the L5P, you might have heard of FASS Fuel Systems at some point and possibly wondered what the point was in upgrading your fuel system. Well, in this video, specifically the L5P 2017 and up Duramax, we're talking about the ROI, return on investment, of installing a FASS Fuel System. What is the return on investment? You've heard us talk about the benefits of FASS, which includes but is not limited to removal of entrained air and vapor, over 99% water removal from diesel fuel, as well as filtering debris down to 2 micron absolute, which means you can actually triple the life of your injection system, optimize mile per gallon, restore horsepower, improve cold weather performance, and more. But when it comes to dollars and cents, what does a FASS Fuel System mean for you? Specifically looking at fuel efficiency on the L5P Duramax, a lot of the questions we get here at FASS are related to mile per gallon. How much better will my fuel efficiency be after installing a FASS? And what we say is it's extremely common for Duramax owners especially to see a notable increase in fuel efficiency. However, we don't promise an exact number, and we can't promise an exact number because fuel efficiency increases are based on everything from where the truck is located, the quality of fuel being used, the owner's driving habits, and more. So please note, it is extremely common to see an increase in fuel efficiency, but we cannot guarantee it and would never want to make false promises. Now, depending on where you buy parts from and possibly what shop you work with, replacing the injection system on an L5P Duramax, which again is the 2017 or newer Duramax, can easily run into the 5 figures, $10,000 or more. Again, depending on where you live, where you shop, and how friendly you are with the shop that's doing the work. But safe to say, replacing the L5P injection system is not something you ever want to do unless you absolutely have to. Now, when you're doing the math of the savings a FASS Fuel System can provide you for your 2017 and up Duramax, it's really important to take a very close and realistic look at the cost of just routine maintenance. After all, a fresh set of FASS filters will run you about $55 and only need to be changed every 20 to 30,000 miles or one time per year in most cases. Now, on your stock fuel system, if you are buying OEM quality filters, can run you double that or more, and or require more frequent filter changes depending on your fuel quality. And with a FASS Fuel System, again, based on the data of our research, as well as our fleet partners who are putting hundreds of thousands of miles on these systems with commercial trucks, we are seeing about a 3x increase in injection component life, which means over the life of a truck, let's say you do put hundreds of thousands of miles on a truck, you can potentially avoid 1, 2, or 3 injection system replacements, replaced injectors, damaged injectors, simply by filtering your fuel. So how are we getting to that number where we can confidently say that this should deliver a 3x increase in injection system life? Well, according to the Milwaukee School of Engineering, 75% of hydraulic system failures, which your injection system, your injection pump and injectors are essentially a hydraulic system, diesel fuel is the hydraulic fluid, 75% of hydraulic system failures are caused by contamination. Guess what the number one contaminant in a hydraulic system is? Air. According to Caterpillar, diesel fuel is 10% air, at least 10% air, when stationary. As you drive and as that fuel sloshes around and gets heated and agitated, that 10% number goes up significantly. And as air passes through your injection system, it can cause cavitation and scoring, metal on metal, which can send shrapnel throughout your injection system, can blow out your injector tips, lead to poor spray patterns, burned pistons, and similar.
Lastly, let's talk about improving cold weather performance. Since we're talking about ROI and ultimately you can't put a price on peace of mind, the improvements in cold weather performance available with a FASS Fuel System are not to go unnoticed. Not only is the design of a FASS Fuel System better optimized to push through gelled fuel in extreme cold conditions, we also have optional electric heater kits, fuel heater kits, that automatically kick on when your fuel begins to gel and automatically turn themselves off as your fuel reaches operating temperature. It's a feature we call thermostatic control. What this means for you is when extreme cold temperatures arise, or if you live in an area where extreme cold temps are normal, a FASS Fuel System will deliver reliable performance at any temperature.
So simply by properly removing the entrained air and vapor out of your fuel, we are able to achieve that 3x increase in injection system life, never mind all the other benefits and potential cost savings we mentioned before. So if you have questions about a FASS diesel fuel system for your Duramax truck, give us a call, shoot us an email, or shoot us a message.